What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today, I'm not talking about phones or really tech, but I'm going to be talking about something that means a lot to me. And it is the remakes of Pokemon Diamond and Pearl, Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. And I want to unbox the games. They came out, they originally released in 2007, and Pokemon Diamond was actually the first game I saved up with my own money. I went ahead and bought a Nintendo DS and I bought Pokemon Diamond, and now 14 years later, I went ahead and I picked one up again, and I want to unbox it because I also have a pre-order bonus here in the US. If you pre-ordered from the Pokemon Center website, this is what you get. So you get Turtwig as a keychain plushie. It's actually fairly large. You also do get Chimchar, but wait, you get one more. You get Piplup right here. You get all three starters as a pre-order bonus, and I'm going to open these and take a look at them, and also take a look at the games, the most important thing. But before I do begin, I'd really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and will help push my content out to more people. But anyway, let's dive right in. Okay, so I got the Pokemon Brilliant Diamond Shining Pearl double pack, and just as a disclaimer, if you wanted to pick up the pre-order bonus, let's go ahead and kind of peel it like that. If you wanted to pick up the pre-order bonus, then you would have to pick up the double pack with, I think, almost everywhere in the US. But I don't want to break this box. So there we go. Wow, Pokemon Brilliant Diamond. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna have to just cover that up. So with this, you're also getting 200 Pokeball codes. So I might have to blur that screen if it showed up. But you get 200 Pokeballs. I will be putting this aside. There we go. There's Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Pokemon Shining Pearl. There they are. And I'm just going to leave this box. It's going to be, a memory of mine. Anyway, let's take a look at the back. Unravel the myth of the Pokemon that controls time and space. There we go. Now, which one am I going to actually play? I'm probably going to end up playing Pokemon Brilliant Diamond, finish the game fully, and then if I have time and if I want to go ahead and play Shining Pearl, then I will. But Brilliant Diamond is going to be the one that I actually go ahead and start my journey back in the Sinnoh region. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm actually going to go like this. Open it up just like that. There we go. But as of November 19th, these are available. So if you do want to go ahead and pick these up, if you haven't picked it up, you want to go ahead and pick up the games to play. They retail for $59.99. The double packs do retail for, I believe, $119.99. So there it is. Let's open the inside. Pokemon Brilliant Diamond right here. I will be playing this after I'm probably done recording this video. But let's get to the plushies. So here is Turtwig. This is the Turtwig keychain plush. I don't know where you're gonna, put this on. I assume you'd probably put it on like a backpack because this is pretty big. I don't know if you're gonna put this on your keychain, but here is Turtwig. That's actually pretty cool. Not gonna lie, that's actually a pretty cool plush. I like it. At first, I was really bummed out because they didn't, the UK has the legendaries as figurines for their pre-order bonuses, and I was pretty bummed out. And I thought that the Pokemon Center had the best pre-order bonuses. Like, I didn't want to get like pens or a notebook. I wanted figures or plushies, and these were probably the best ones. Here's Chimchar, probably the starter I will be choosing. I went ahead and chose Chimchar back in 2007. So Chimchar We're going to start our journey back in the Sinnoh region again. And here is Piplup, also one of my all-time favorites. My favorite Pokemons of all time, Piplup. So cute. There we go. There is Piplup. Wow, these are actually really, really nice. Now, I do believe you can pick these up separately on the PokemonCenter.com website, but these were pre-order bonuses for the Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl double pack. So there is that. And these are going to be pretty cool. I'm going to just leave these on my bed. You might see these in cameos in future videos. Who knows? But that's really it. I just wanted to make this video and commemorate it to the 14th anniversary of Pokemon, and also, or Pokemon Diamond and Pearl, and the 25th anniversary of Pokemon. It's been a great year. It's been a great 25 years of Pokemon. I can't wait for January 20th, 2022, when Pokemon Legends Arceus, or some say Pokemon Legends Arceus, when that game does come out too. I'm super excited for the future. I can't wait for more remakes. And I can't wait for, who knows, maybe in 2022 we get Generation 9. I don't know. But I will be leaving a link to my Pokemon channel down in the description below. Not as active as I am here on the main channel, but that's where I post my Pokemon content. If you want to take a look, go right ahead. It's in the description down below. And I'd really appreciate if you gave those videos a couple likes and maybe subscribe. But that's really it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and start my journey with Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and get started with my boy Chimchar. But if you did enjoy this video that's not really tech related and you want to see something more, I don't know, Pokemon, or go ahead and check out my Dose of Pokemon channel. I'll be leaving that link, like I said, in the description down below. But also, let me know about these different types of videos. If you did enjoy, like I said, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video. It really does help out the channel a lot. It really does mean a lot to me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.